In this video, you'll learn how to create a multilingual WordPress site using the TranslatePress plugin. By following these steps, you will be able to set up your website to cater to a diverse audience, making it accessible in multiple languages. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you reach the homepage, look for the option labeled Sites. This is typically found in the main navigation menu. Clicking on this will redirect you to the site's dashboard, where you can manage your existing sites or create a new one. Next, locate the button that says Create with AI. This option is usually prominent on the site's dashboard. By selecting this button, you initiate the process of building your new site with the assistance of AI technology, which can help streamline the setup process. After clicking Create with AI, a message will appear indicating that the system is laying the foundations for your new site. At this point, the AI will start processing your request, which may take a few moments. It is important to wait until this message disappears before proceeding. Once the AI has completed its initial setup, you will receive a prompt that invites you to make a website as unique as you. This message signifies that the foundational setup is complete and that you can now customize your site according to your preferences. You will now be prompted to type in a phrase like create a multilingual WordPress site. This input helps the AI understand the specific type of site you wish to build. After entering this phrase, click on the Enter key to proceed to the next step. Following this, you will see a message indicating that WordPress.com can create a multilingual WordPress site. This confirmation reassures you that the system recognizes your request. After this, you will need to type in the choice given above as a follow-up action. After completing the previous action, click on Enter again to proceed. This step is essential as it confirms your selection and allows the AI to continue with the setup process. Next, a message will prompt you with the question of what you would like to name your website. This title will appear in the Browser tab and represents your site to visitors. Enter the name you have chosen and click Enter to confirm your choice. You will then be asked to provide a tagline or description that will show in search results and social previews. This tagline should succinctly convey what your site offers. After typing in your tagline, click Enter to confirm. Once you have entered your tagline, click on Create My Site to finalize your setup. This action confirms that you are ready to proceed with the creation of your multilingual site. You will see a message stating, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the AI is currently generating your site, which may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the setup. At this stage, it's important to remain patient as you wait for the site to generate. The duration of this process may vary, so ensure that you have a stable internet connection to prevent disruptions during the setup. Once the generation is complete, you will receive a confirmation that your multilingual WordPress site has been successfully created. You can now explore the site and customize it further as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.